Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, giving you your latest landscape update. So when you have a slope, a lot of times what will happen is you get a lot of runoff from that slope. There are a couple things that we do to address that. Number one is the type of mulch that we use is a fine shredded hardwood mulch. And what that does is to mat together, and when it has a rain, it packs down and it tends not to budge. It will a little bit, especially on a slope like this. So the next thing that we like to do is to install river rock along the edge. That gives a nice border to it, and it holds the water in place. It also slows the water down. So as it's going through, if you got a lot of runoff, maybe from a gutter, that's going to slow it down and cause a lot less erosion. So this is a good way. This river rock, this particular one is Arizona river rock. That this is a very good way to reduce the runoff and keep the mulch from going out of your beds. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Village Green, local experience you can trust.